Baby Signs presents My Getting Dressed Signs, starring the Baby Signs monkeys, Bebo the Baby Signs bear, and the Diaper Doodles.
Hello, says our friend Bebo. He wants to sign with you. He'll teach you signs for getting dressed. That's what he will do. Oh, look, it's baby Suki. What can Suki do? She can do the sign for hat. That's what she can do. Sunshine knows the sign for coat. Songbird will teach you shoes. Squiggles will show you the sign for socks, one that you can use. And here comes baby Scooter. Why, yes, he's signing too. He'll teach you to do the sign for comb. Yes, that's what he'll do. Sunshine knows the diaper sign. Songbird knows it too. So when you want your diaper changed, here's what you should do. So look for our friend Bebo. He'll show you what to do. Just like the diaper doodles, you'll soon be signing too.
Socks. Socks. Scooter, can you put on Teddy's socks? Socks. Where's Teddy's other sock? Socks. Good job. Thank you, Scooter. This is the sign for socks. 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 This is the sign for socks.